Welcome to this short, powerful meditation to help you have a quick shift in overcoming overwhelm with a 5-minute clarity meditation. Here's the thing with overwhelm and stress. Many people feel overwhelmed by their daily responsibilities and the myriad of tasks they need to accomplish, leading to stress and a lack of focus. The key idea here for the paradigm shift from overwhelm to clarity is to shift the mindset from feeling overwhelmed by tasks to gaining clarity and focus through intentional, mindful breathing and visualization. So in this 5-minute clarity meditation from overwhelm to focus, you will feel an immediate reduction in stress and gain a sense of clarity and focus, enabling you to approach your tasks with a calm and organized mindset. Welcome to Awaken with Love and Rise with Pure Joy. And today I'm addressing a common issue that many of us face, feeling overwhelmed by our daily tasks and responsibilities. Overwhelm can paralyze us, making it difficult to focus and be productive. But don't worry, I've got a quick, actionable solution that can help you shift from overwhelm to clarity in just 5 minutes. Feeling overwhelmed is a painful experience. It can cause stress, anxiety, and even physical discomfort. When we have too much on our plate, it's easy to feel like we're drowning in responsibilities, and this can lead to burnout. But what if I told you that you can shift from this state of overwhelm to one of clarity and focus with a simple 5-minute meditation? The key here is to move from a state of overwhelm to a state of clarity by intentionally pausing, breathing deeply, and visualizing our tasks in a calm and organized manner. We can transform our mindset and approach our responsibilities with renewed energy and focus. Now let's dive into our 5-minute clarity meditation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this a few times, allowing your body to relax with each breath. Now imagine a warm, soothing light at the top of your head. And as you breathe in, visualize this light flowing down through your body, bringing calm and relaxation to every muscle. Continue to breathe deeply and steadily. Next, bring to mind the tasks that are causing you to feel overwhelmed. Visualize each task as a small, manageable box. See these boxes lined up neatly in front of you. With each inhale, imagine yourself picking up one box. And as you exhale, see yourself placing it on a shelf, knowing that you will handle it in its own time. Continue this process, breathing in and picking up a box, breathing out and placing it on the shelf. Allow yourself to feel a sense of control and organization as you see all your tasks neatly arranged, waiting for your attention. Know that you have the clarity and focus to tackle each one step at a time. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling the calm and clarity within you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this sense of focus and organization with you into your day. Thank you for joining me in this quick clarity meditation. By taking just 5 minutes to breathe and visualize, you can transform feelings of overwhelm into a clear and focused mindset. Remember, you have the power to organize your thoughts and approach your tasks with calm and confidence. If you found this meditation helpful, hit like and share it with someone you know who might benefit from a little extra clarity in their life. Until next time, stay centered and rise with pure joy. From my heart to yours, Katie Joy.